Hello viewers, a lot of users are actually planning to buy a tablet in the sale, but they are not getting enough deals on tablets, so they are waiting eagerly for the best sale. In this video, I will talk about the best sale that will come in the month of May. Flipkart has already teased Sasa sale. Maybe in the first week of May, you will get this sale. In that sale, you will get discounts on SBI credit card that will be around 10% instant discount, and if you are Plus or VIP members, in that case you will get early access to sale. Though they haven't revealed the pricing of all the tablets and smartphones, but they will soon reveal the smartphones and tablet deals so that you can have a very good idea whether you can buy those tablets or not. I will let you know about the best deals and offers on tablets when there is any offer, but definitely after few days you are going to get a good deal on tablets. But before buying any tablet, you must know the exact or the best price of each and every tablet so that you don't pay any extra amount while buying a tablet. For example, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE, in that case the best price for S10 FE is 29,000 to 31,000 rupees maximum. Similarly, if you are planning to buy iPad 11th generation, in that case the best price would be 29 to 30,000. After that, if you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 FE Plus, in that case the best price would be around 38 to 40,000 rupees maximum with card offers. After that, if you are planning to buy Xiaomi Pad 7, in that case the best price would be 20,000 rupees for the 128GB variant, and if you want to buy the 256GB variant, in that case the best price would be 23 to 24,000 rupees maximum. Similarly, if you are planning to buy Redmi Pad Pro, in that case the best price would be 22,000 rupees for the 128GB and 24,000 rupees for the 256GB variant. If you are planning to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, in that case sadly there will be no offer on Flipkart.com, but you may get discounts on Amazon.in. But I will not suggest you to buy this tablet in 2026 because there will be software update issue. After few years you will not receive any software update which will make you feel bad using this tablet. Similarly, you will get discounts on Oneplus products. If you want to buy Oneplus Pad Lite, in that case the best price for the 128GB variant is around 12,000 rupees, and if you want to buy 8GB and 128GB variant, in that case the best price would be 13,000 rupees. And if you are planning to buy OnePlus Pad 2, in that case the best price would be below 30,000 rupees for the 128GB and 33,000 rupees maximum for the 256GB variant. If you are planning to buy a high-end tablet, in that case the best price for OnePlus Pad 3 is around 37 to 38,000 rupees maximum. So I have mentioned here some of the pricing of tablets, but I will make a dedicated video mentioning the best price of each and every tablet starting from 10,000 to 40,000 rupees. If you want to watch that video, please subscribe the channel with notification bell on so that you don't miss that video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.